Check out this 2007 Saab 9-7X. This 9-7X has just under 57,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This 9-7X boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power passenger seat, CD player, climate control, keyless entry and overhead console. Call 888-804-9966 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.